Feeling anxious about an upcoming test? You're not alone. Test anxiety is a common experience that can take a toll on your performance. But don't worry, there are ways to manage it. Test anxiety: causes, symptoms, and coping strategies. Test anxiety, also known as performance anxiety, is a common experience that can affect individuals of all ages and backgrounds. It is defined as the feeling of fear or apprehension that arises before or during an exam, and it can have a negative impact on one's performance and overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the causes, symptoms, and coping strategies for test anxiety. Causes of test anxiety. Test anxiety can be caused by a variety of factors, including 1. Pressure to perform. Students may feel pressure from themselves or others to succeed on a test, which can lead to anxiety. 2. Fear of failure. The fear of failing a test can be overwhelming and cause anxiety. 3. Lack of preparation. Students who feel unprepared for a test may experience anxiety as a result. 4. Negative self-talk. Negative thoughts and beliefs about one's abilities can contribute to test anxiety. Symptoms of test anxiety. The symptoms of test anxiety can vary from person to person, but commonly include physical and emotional symptoms. Some common symptoms of test anxiety include 1. Rapid heartbeat or palpitations. 2. Sweating. 3. Nausea or stomach discomfort. 4. Difficulty concentrating. 5. Racing thoughts or worry. 6. Feeling tense or nervous. 7. Headaches or muscle tension. Fortunately, there are many effective coping strategies for test anxiety. Here are a few to consider. 1. Prepare and practice. One of the best ways to reduce test anxiety is to be well prepared for the exam. Make sure to review the material thoroughly and practice test-taking strategies. 2. Positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm going to fail," try thinking, "I am well prepared and capable of doing well." 3. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation to help calm your nerves. 4. Exercise. Regular exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety, so try to incorporate physical activity into your routine in the days leading up to the test. 5. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for reducing anxiety and improving cognitive function, so aim to get a good night's sleep before the test. 6. Visualize success. Imagine yourself performing well on the test and achieving your goals. This can help boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. 7. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a mental health professional if you are struggling with test anxiety. They can provide support and guidance to help you manage your anxiety and improve your performance on the test. In conclusion, test anxiety is a common experience that can have a negative impact on one's performance and well-being. However, with the right coping strategies and support, it is possible to manage test anxiety and perform well on exams. If you are struggling with test anxiety, try incorporating some of the strategies discussed in this article and don't hesitate to seek support from others.